organisms which are accurate and which are validated. They have to be validated. Sometimes the system is being put into practice. It has gone through a long process, right, so that it becomes reliable. I want to get
you got so excited about this, so please tell me.
I actually like what
for 12 police commanders and officers accused of killing baby Samantha Pendo and committing several human rights violations during the 2017 post-election violence. The plea deferral was requested by the Office of Director of Public Prosecutions after a senior officer implicated in the killings failed to show up for the court session, after which the court issued an arrest warrant against him. The rights groups under the banner of the Police Reforms Working Group include the Independent Medical Legal Unit, Katiba Institute, Social Justice Center's Working Group, Kenya Section of the International Commission of Jurists, International Justice Mission, Hockey Africa, Amnesty International Kenya, and the Kenyan Human Rights Commission. They described the postponement as a major disappointment to survivors and victims' families. The accused officers
waumini kwa makina pasi kwa bima kishoto fungu la kumi sadaka kulia ndio maana mbele ya kanisa mheshimiwa anakula sakramenti kabla ya raia tuambia igeneration inachoma picha igeneration yetu so tujiangalie tuko pabaya kuliko jana
during the day so you can see the sights. Usiku the park doesn't have steamer. So you
tell you about us, that place.
Yeah.
I was telling you that wedding I had gone for.
Yeah.
Yes. So just a small talk with guys, some sitting next to this Indian mama. So I said, oh, okay, so what do you do? I'm feeling fresh. Yeah, I'm a radio presenter, in marketing, advertising. And you? You know Lesani? Yeah, we own it.
See, when you told her you own Nini.
I know DJ UV plays on Sunday evenings.
Now imagine if you sat down, the next person you sat down, the person tells you, I own Cuban code. Then the next event, I know Jockey Silla.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do every Sunday.
Every Sunday, my God.
Electric music.
All the beautiful women getting money, watching them dollar bills like laundry. See, I'ma tell you, like who told me, cash rules everything around me. Singing dollar dollar bill, y'all, dollar dollar bill, y'all, dollar dollar bill, y'all, dollar dollar bill, y'all. I'ma tell you, like who told me, cash rules everything around me. Singing dollar dollar bill, y'all, dollar dollar bill, y'all, dollar dollar bill, y'all. Self-destructing on the corner with the on the waistline. Just
well established. I ain't tryna lead you on, just wanna ask if you might wanna give me your name, explain your status. You know I see you
live. We're here. Shores Mumble Bat is in the house.
A couple of shout outs to guys who are listening. Shores Juan Omanjo says, mind blowing mixes. Yeah?
I can have fun with you, but wait till it doesn't get to hold of you. In the bedroom, it's a call me Shaka Zolo.
Then at 4:45 p.m., the real deal happens. There's going to be a runway fashion show where Deborah Senepe and all other NATO fashion ladies are going to be on the runway. They're not models. It's just normal ladies. But I don't know how Deborah says she's a normal person because no, that's not normal. Yeah, 6 foot 2,
No.
beautiful, has never
17. 6 foot 17. To me. I hugged her.
That's always hugging her.
South Sea this weekend for a key match against host and leaders Ngara Sports Club B that could potentially decide the Nairobi Provincial Cricket Association Division 2 title. Ngara B, top of the NPCA log with 36 points, 6 clear of their closest challenger Stray Lion C, and victory in the penultimate match of the season will assure them of the title. Ngara have played 11 matches so far and have 2 to go, while Stray Lions are
Animals and sport, eh? You know, there's a guy we've forgotten to remember. A legend whose dreams were cut short. Last year.
Cut short.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. Shattered. Last year around this time, there's a guy called Robert Kibutai Ngeno. It's a Kenyan who went to Buenos Aires to do a marathon, but then his ambitious goals were halted by a moth. The guy's goals were halted by a dog. So the guy was going, he's running right. I'm going to win Tares. I'm going to win Tares. I'm going to be champion. Things turned out now when the guy figures the 21-kilometer mark. And now a dog appeared from nowhere. It said Z, not the Chinese guy.
Hunting pet. I hope his family is called Huntington. But what's the crime there? Huntington. What's the crime there, man? So you created your own thing to hunt, to shoot at.
It's mine. It's mine.
But why a sheep? Why a sheep? How fast is that sheep?
I don't know. That thing, no,
The car guys here.
yeah. So I don't know if he shot them or stuff like that. But now to make it now psycho, the full those things of those horror movies what? He fed their bodies to his pigs to try and conceal that thing.
That guy just wants snatch.
Yeah, snatch exactly. Yeah. So at now he gave the bodies to the pigs as well. So there's like a trial going like that.
So the pigs never.
In SA, yeah.
How did they discover the
I don't know. I've not asked them yet.
Anyway,
Wow.
see the things they're talking about right now. It's full of suspense, thrillers, and craziness. Is what is happening on Showmax right now on a show called Subterranean.
Locations proven to promote.
Tabia, the 2024 minutes to 6. Right here, your best mix of music now. 9.4 Capital FM. Good afternoon. How you doing? Hashtag the boys like man karaoke.
That's scary.
Teddy with Lucy.
Imagine Googie.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Teddy, what do you think is Charlie's DJ name?
You heard.
DJ Creation? In the beginning. But yeah, listen. Naughty by Nature is here, guys. Naughty by Nature is here, and we're joined by one Mr. Kim Nick D. The hype DJ number one, everything and everything. Quick one, experience tonight. What's gonna happen?
Anything goes tonight. But we're keeping it 2000s.
2000s.
Yeah, Mazi. It's gonna be an amazing.
So it's 2000 to 2010.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2000 to 2010.
2000 to 2002. Everyone who's about 30 to the age of 32. You're invited.
At,
So guys who maliza school at that time. Guys will do that. Anyway, even those guys who are under 20, no, 24.
Yeah, that's actually.
Is there an age limit by the Teddy?
No.
You know, you said you want to be involved. So
Yeah, in company policy. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I'm just being loose here.
yeah, come through, guys. It's at the Simba Salon. What time? What time?
Alone, come up with floss is wrong, my day I can't be right. My fans me now up in the wall, now up in the wall. Damn, my haters come on me pendi. Kuleni simple, meza wembe na wapa life come aside. My coffee, na when you read for what you young game. My fans me now up in the wall. Pick up my coffee, yo, pick up my coffee, pick up my coffee, pick up my coffee, the Polani. Yo, pick up my coffee, pick up my coffee, pick up my coffee.
Why is everyone joining in sign language?
Asante. So what's happening here is that Teddy's mic is rotten. It picks everything. But thank you so much. Kim Nick D, my friends, is going to be on 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's basically what?
If that's a taste of what's going to, I get doing regular.
Yeah,
There's going to be a
there's a session coming up in the next hour.
Stay tuned. This is going to be nuts.
This is basically.
Wow.
So I'd ask a question to the guys here. Kim Caribbean Pia. If you are stuck in a room for 1 year, what is the one thing that will keep you going and help you survive? Charles Kiani, for you.
The Holy Bible.
Teddy Murusi.
Gummies, chocolate.
Yeah.
California vape. And dried mangoes. Like a sack.
More spice.
Jamaican delicacy.
More spice.
Let's be locked up in the same. We can exchange. No.
I think social media.
Try too hard, my baby's push to start. I soar, full speed, off road, on me, 0 to 100 fast. My foot ain't touched the gas. I said, hey baby, slow it down, let's make it last.
Four joints came round together down to this week number 14 on the countdown. It's Miles on it, and every hit gets bigger. Just rate these right here, number 13 with Charlie XCX 360. Vinyl version that we understand has sold close to 500,000 copies already. Ed Sheeran tour. Some help. It's Morgan Dwell and Post Malone together and Rick Dees to number 8 on the countdown. Teddy Swims, The Door. from 2 to number 3, leaving a place for number 1 on
What if it's real?
Posies. We have a link at rick.com, rick.com. Chapel's music received great reviews, by the way. Okay, the biggest 2 hits. Let's get to number 2. Sabrina Carpenter, Espresso.
several villages and last week that some of the warring communities use firearms, bows and arrows, with security officers struggling to contain them. Many locals have been displaced in the conflict. Police confirmed the body of victims are sheltered in schools and other public amenities in the area. According to police, 4 of the people were killed in Namingi, 2 on KBC grounds and 2 at Anole area. While the police commander Ifran Karani confirmed the killings and assured the bereaved families that justice will be served. Liberal Governor Ochilo Ayako has encouraged farmers in the county to embrace climate-smart agriculture to make the country food secure. Ochilo spoke during the second day of the Southwest Kenya Recording Agricultural Show located at Achota now, say that it's through climate-smart agriculture that farmers, especially the small-scale entrepreneurs, will maximize their outputs and profits. Angola is one of the top 8 counties in the nation that produces maize, and according to the governor, smart climate agriculture will further boost the maize production in the country and helps reduce the importation of the same that continues to affect prices and farmers' profits and capitals.
Of any disputes, FKF members can submit their disputes to the appeals board through the email. And then point number 5, the final point of this letter, is the electoral board operations. Concerns have been raised, of course, in the electoral board operating from Kandanda House. Under the FKF Electoral Code Section 3(1)G, the headquarters of the electoral board shall be the same as those of F.
That, you know, all the proper things are in place. You know, we as a nation in the past, we've had a very charred history of things not being done as openly and transparently as it could have been done through elections. And this goes, you know, from the national level all the way down to sporting bodies, etc., etc. So this is actually a great opportunity for the FKF to say, hey, our house is in order. Maybe you don't like us. Maybe you don't like the people. Maybe you don't like the way this is going to go. The process will be clear.
Interesting.
Of there being numerous scandals within the body. So these guys are now saying, oh, we want to solve it. Or is it the job of the Ministry of Sports? Do they have a vested interest in this? The electoral board, the Confederation of African Football. What is the position of all these guys? Are they going to be any better? You know, to me, this comes down to one fundamental. We need to clean at home. Like it's embarrassing that we should have to say that things aren't. We've become soft, and so this is.
What's that phrase? What's that thing that they say? Hard times create hard men. Hard men work hard and create better times, which then create soft boys, who then create bad times, who then create hard times, which then the cycle starts again.
So this is
With spoiled kids who are creating the future hard times.
this is unnecessary infrastructure.
There we go. There we go. Listen, this is just the beginning, because today I'm kind of in the mood. And one of the things that have got me in the mood is the fact that I really do want sports to grow in this country. I can't help but think my
Party from 6 p.m. and dance the night away. Advance tickets are 2,000 shillings for adults, 25 kids under 16 enter free. Don't miss the Lagos incoming tour at Nairobi Polo Club October 4th to 6th. Polo, it's the event of the season. We get together like this every weekend. On Saturday. High fiber, low fat, no cholesterol. We keep it regular with no gritty aftertaste. On Saturday Music and Sports with DJ UP.
delving in, and I know they have one of the races. Has it been moved to Machakos?
Yeah, Tika, they have a series of events with us, and this time I can tell you we are discussing something very good with Tika. Maybe next week you will get to hear something good. Chico, I want to say that after we left the launch, I have a busy week next week from Monday to Friday, sitting down with the potential sponsors who wants to know what they can do for our athletes, what they can do for athletics as a whole. Because remember, Chico, Kenya have been doing this one since 1954, and in the in the World Championship, in the Commonwealth Games. If it is javelin, will not allow now people to go to YouTube again. We want to bring those javelins to come to the ground so that Diego can do it from the village and show the young people that this is how it is done, because the technique is already with us. Diego not understand this. There's a big team of young athletes who are already training with him, and we just want to get them the right equipment so that they are able to deliver the job. I can assure you, Larry, that after this one, Kenyans will come to say, really, there is something new that is happening in that place.
I can tell you everything you just said is completely shift. The fact that you're bringing in more sponsors is not something that we have seen, which is a shake-up in itself, because now every Kenyan gets a chance, and corporates and individuals get a chance to be a part of this road to Tokyo and ultimately be able to say that I gave something for us to be standing there and celebrating gold in whichever race. But now that you've brought that up, there are two things that I just want to finally throw you away before I give you a chance to give your final thoughts. So number one is a powerful statement that I heard from the speech of